Hi, and welcome back to R&Y Inside Learning Hub. This is Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching Manual Testing Series. Today, we will discuss on level of testing basics. So, agenda of this video: introduction of level of testing, and introduce level levels of testing. Sorry, levels of testing. Okay, so let's begin. The purpose of the level of testing is to make software testing structured, efficient, and easy. Find all possible test cases, test scenarios at a particular level. In the HDLC model, there are personalized phases such as requirement, meeting, analyzing, coding, designing, execution, testing, and deployment. These all phases go through the process of the testing in the software testing. There are many different testing levels that are used or help to check action and performance for software testing. These are testing level or design for missing area and recoded and relinked between the development lifecycle. So in the level of testing, we have unit testing, integration testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. So these four level we have in the level of testing, the main pillar of the testing, we can say. So unit testing of the testing used to test for a single component or a single unit in software testing, and the kind of testing is performed by the developer. So unit testing is also the first level of functional testing. The primary goal of unit testing is to validate performance of unit component. Unit is a smallest testable portion of the system or application, and the main aim to test that each individual component or unit is correct in terms of fulfilling requirement and desirable functionality. The main advantage of this testing is that by detecting any error in the software early in the day, is that by doing so the team reduce software development risk as well as time and money wasted in the having to go back and take back fundamental defect in the program once it ready completed. So for example of unit testing, for suppose developer create a Flipkart or Amazon or like any uh, product, or we can say project. Okay, so and create some method, so many classes in the project, and so every code or every function or every variable of each line is test during the during the unit testing. So the developer senior and uh, tech lead also involved on the unit testing. So unit testing test for positive flow testing is performed to deliver the testable product to the tester. So tester can perform the functional and non-functional, negative and positive scenario on the particular component or the particular application to validate the requirement. Okay, so unit testing is uh, test by the help of JUnit. JUnit is a library which help to create test cases to check every functions or every classes of the program. Okay, this is a small project I have created for to show you. Okay, okay, and one of the one second. Okay, so as you can see, so first, for suppose the login page is created by the developer, and developer also test every one second, every field, right? Email, email is why don't know. Okay, email and create password and confirm password. Okay, so email is a test is to validate the email is should be correct format, and create password is the is all the required combination of the password. Okay, and sign up page should be work. Okay, and for in the page the login with Facebook and login with Google for now is not testable, or we can say not implemented. Okay, so and login also is not login link text is also not implemented. Okay, so first the developer tests all the positive flow is all the valid input is acceptable or not, and is sign up page is working fine or not. And after that is everything is fine, then the developer deliver to the tester, so tester will perform negative and positive performance, all the combination of the testing in this particular page to test the component. Okay, and second we get a login page. Okay, so in the login page is first test by the developer everything, and after that the tester. Okay, so these are the testing one by one. Okay, and now come into the integration testing. Integration testing means a combination different software module and phases and testing as a group to make sure that the integration testing is ready to system testing or not. And there are many ways to the test how different component of the system function at their interface. The type of testing is performed by the tester, and integration testing find the data flow from one module to other module. So go back to the project. For this is the single component login and the and profile profile page. Okay. For suppose So here a second component profile. Okay. If you're not aware about the Java, then don't worry about that. We have Java series in this channel, so you can refer the Java first. Okay. For now, don't worry. We are just I want to show the how to unit testing is done by the developer. Okay. So this is the first component. Okay. Like I'm just created a method simple function here to show you, and the second component, this component is used the first component. So this is a integration, like integration testing. Okay. So first, from the first function, the user is put any value, and the integration testing should the second component will accept the first component value. So these are the this is the example of the integration testing. Okay. If not get it, then back into the presentation. Okay. So we test the login page, registration page, and the login page. Eh? After that, we get the profile page. Okay. We get the profile page with the dummy data. With the dummy data. Okay. So with the dummy data, we will test all the component is visible perfect or not, all the button icons and everything is perfect or not. Okay. And then we get the sign up page with the profile page for the integration testing. For example, if Sumit is sign up, okay, then the Sumit detail will be shown here. As you can see, Sumit is enter is the email ID, password, and click on the sign up page, sign up button. Okay, and then the Sumit detail is showing in the profile page, as you can see here. Okay, and and the second phase, we get the login with the profile page. If the Sumit is login by the enter email ID or password, or by the login with the Facebook or login with the Google or any of the option, then uh, the details should be visible. If any other person login or register, then their information should be visible here. Okay. So these are the integration testing. Hope you got it. Okay. Now now and now the system testing. Okay. So system testing is most probably the final test to identify that the system meets the specification and criteria, and it evaluates both functional and non-functional need for the testing. System testing is allowing to check the system combination as per the requirement, and all the component of the software are tested as a whole in the order to ensure that the overall product meets the requirement specified. It involves load, reliability, performance, and security testing. So system testing is very important. Steps as the software is almost ready for the production in the market, and once it is deployed, it can be tested in an environment that is very close to the market, user friendly environment, which is a user will experience. So as we shown in the presentation. Okay. So in the system testing, we test all the combination login with the register, register first, then log in, then check the profile. Okay, register, then check the profile, register, log in with check the profile, all the combination. So whole system we will test during the system testing to ensure that we will going the right path to deliver the perfect product to the client or to the user. Okay, if the requirement is not fulfilled, then we the time is waste and money also a waste. So now, last but not least, the acceptance testing. The aim of acceptance testing is to evaluate whether the system compiles with the end user requirement and if the ready for the deployment. The tester will utilize a different method such as a pre-written scenarios and test cases to test the software and use the result obtained from these tools to find way in which the system can be improved. Also, QA team or testing team can find out how the product will perform when it is installed on the user system. So acceptance testing range from the easy finding spelling mistake and cosmetic error to related bugs that could be cause a major error in the application. So we in the short we can say that acceptance testing is tested by the client or by the user for the review, for the final review. Okay, during that client or user can uh, provide their feedback or any changes or any add-on. So we will change their point or add on the changes requirement. Then after the final product will review with the client and deliver to the end user, so that we will achieve the 100% of the acceptance of the requirement expectation. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of the level of testing. uh, we will cover all this topic one by one in the separated video with more detail to understand more on this in coming video. Okay, so for now, please like the video and subscribe it to the channel. If you are new, then click the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I uploaded on the updated video. Okay, thanks for your valuable time to watch this video. If you have any suggestion and any feedback or any doubt in this topic or previous topic, so that please comment on the comment section. Feel free. Okay, thanks guys.